Hi guys, it's Maya Honeywell from the Hive. I hope you're having a great day. Hey, it's Tuesday, and guess what else it is? It's National Voter Registration Day. Let's get some change in the world. Get out there, vote. Let's make some good choices, you guys. I did receive my absentee ballot, so that was something that's exciting, and if you plan ahead, you've got those coming to you. But otherwise, get out there. If you need some tips on where to register to vote, we've been looking at the League of Women Voters for that, so let us know if we can send you in that direction. All right, and just coming back to you with our weekly market stats and looking at data here ending the 12th of September. So this would be the week that also contained Labor Day. So stats may just be a little bit soft because we had that holiday weekend with a lot of travel. But looking at new listings, we finally have a tiny little upward trend on new listings here for the 2020 stats. And we're almost exactly in line with what our stats looked like last year in 2019. Pending sales. If we are looking at pending sales here, and that solid orange line has a drastic jump here in this last week of data, I do want to remind you that it was Labor Day weekend, and if you're anything like the rest of us in Minnesota in this crazy summer, I think a lot of us are on the road and not focusing quite as much on real estate, but trying to get out and enjoy some last bit of summer with our families. So pending sales were down a little bit. I would expect that we'll see a little recovery here next week based on those pending sales. All right, it's time for my broken record inventory of homes for sale discussion. If we are looking at that dark orange line, we are seeing nothing but dropping inventory from the beginning of when we've been marking time this year all the way through this last week of September 12th. If we look at last year's data, and again, last year we did feel like we had a pinch of inventory, we're still significantly above where we're sitting this year. So inventory continues to be a battle. There's a lot of great buyers out there looking for the right property. If you're thinking about selling, certainly give us a call. We'd be glad to come out and help you do a market analysis where we look at relevant property in the neighborhood, what's been selling at what price, and we can give you an estimate of what your house would be worth. So again, inventory is a challenge. If you'd like to make a move, give us a call. Thank you. The median sale price is the property price at which half of the properties that are for sale in the metro are going to sell under that price and half are going to be over. So that median sale price in 2018 was $268. In 2019 it was $286, and now in 2020 we're looking at a median sales price of $315. So again, a quite significant jump over last year. Interest rates remain quite low, inventory remains quite low, and so I think that just means that more people are paying a little bit more in that mortgage price, but seeing it really balance out as far as their monthly payment is concerned. So if you've got a mortgage and these low rates, you can afford a bit more house than you would with a higher rate. And again, we don't encourage anybody to get out too far out over their skis, but if you're thinking about making a move here in the next few years, it might be time to look at upwards now and look at those interest rates, and we can check in with you on your goals if you'd like to see what the dollar is buying right now. And then I just wanted to have a quick moment to discuss housing affordability. This continues to be an ongoing challenge here in the Twin Cities metro market. So we've been having obstacles with affordable housing. I know that's the top of a lot of people's minds and something that we take very seriously here at the Hive. We work very hard on social justice. We've been volunteering with Habitat for Humanity, so little tiny changes can make an impact for one family at a time. And again, affordable housing is something that we really want to keep having ongoing dialogue about. So certainly reach out to us at the Hive and we can talk about the Hive Fund and some of the things we're doing from a social responsibility standpoint. If you want one more way to look at inventory, because you're not tired of me talking about low inventory at all yet, let's look at that month's supply of inventory, which means that if nothing goes on the market from today forward, how many days would we have, or how many months would we have of having houses for sale? So in 2018, we would have had 2.6 months of home inventory. 2019 was the exact same, and now here we are at 2020, and we only have 1.8 months of inventory on the market right now. So another way to look at the fact that there needs to be more properties to choose from. If you have any thoughts about preparing your house for sale, that's one thing that we take a lot of pride in, is helping people kind of stage and prioritize different parts of their home and where they can make an investment that will really make an impact for their buyers that are interested in that home as well. Thanks.